Imagine buying Amazon before online shopping exploded. Imagine buying Nvidia before artificial intelligence changed the world. Today, some investors believe the next trillion-dollar opportunity could be space, and one company keeps appearing in that conversation. Rocket Lab. Its stock has attracted enormous attention. Some investors believe it could become a major player in the space industry. Others think the excitement has gone too far. So, what's really happening? Let's find out. Chapter 1. Why everyone is talking about Rocket Lab. When people think about space, they immediately think about SpaceX. But here's the problem. SpaceX isn't publicly traded. Most investors can't simply buy SpaceX shares on the stock market. That's why many investors started looking at another company, Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab has become one of the fastest-growing public space companies. It designs rockets, launches satellites, builds spacecraft components, and provides complete space solutions for governments and commercial customers. Unlike many startup companies, Rocket Lab already has paying customers. Chapter 2. Rockets are only part of the business. Here's something many people don't know. Rocket Lab doesn't just launch rockets, it also manufactures satellite components, solar panels, reaction wheels, flight software, and space systems. These products generate revenue even when rockets aren't launching. That's important because investors usually prefer businesses with multiple income sources. Chapter 3. The Neutron Rocket. Now let's talk about the company's biggest opportunity. Rocket Lab is developing Neutron. This is a much larger, reusable rocket designed to compete for bigger commercial and government missions. If Neutron succeeds, Rocket Lab could enter a completely different league. It could compete for contracts worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Chapter 4. Why Wall Street is interested. The global space economy continues expanding. More satellites are being launched. Private companies need satellite internet, Earth observation, navigation, and defense technology. Every one of these markets creates demand for launch services and spacecraft. Rocket Lab wants to participate in all of them. Chapter 5. But there are risks. Now let's be realistic. Rocket Lab is still a growing company. It faces intense competition. Space launches are expensive. Delays can happen. Rocket failures are always possible. The company also needs to continue winning new contracts to support long-term growth. That's why Rocket Lab is considered a growth stock. Final thoughts. So, is Rocket Lab the next SpaceX? Nobody knows. But one thing is certain. The company has positioned itself in one of the fastest-growing industries in the world. If commercial space continues expanding, Rocket Lab could become one of the companies investors watch most closely over the next decade. Whether you invest or simply follow the industry, this is a company worth understanding. Because sometimes, the biggest opportunities aren't the companies everyone already owns. They're the businesses quietly building the future.